Welcome to Somfy's instructional video series. In this video, we will show you how to change the batteries in an Eclipse 3D wire-free wind sensor. Slide the mounting plate off the Eclipse wire-free 3D housing in the same direction the arrow indicates. Remove the sensor from the housing using a small screwdriver. Install the batteries as shown on the diagram in the battery compartment and confirm the red light blinks. Snap the sensor back into the housing. Before you slide the cover onto the mounting plate, make sure the cover and arrow are in the same orientation. Now slide the housing back on the mounting plate. Test the sensor by simulating wind by pushing up and down on the awning's front bar until it begins to retract. Press My to stop the awning after 5 seconds. Your Eclipse 3D wire-free sensor is now ready to use. Please contact your product manufacturer or Somfy at 1-800-22-SOMFY if you need further assistance.